I'm back with another video. Lot of things. Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you what are the things I use to keep my car looking like new. First of all, this is the 3M Car Wash Shampoo. I use it to wash my car. So as you can see here, 3M Car Wash Shampoo. You cannot use ordinary shampoo to wash your car. Should not use detergents. As you can see, it is not very expensive. I bought it online and I have been using it for quite some time to wash my car, and the results are very good. I use microfiber cloths to wash my car with the car shampoo with plenty of water. First you must wash off the dust off your car. Be careful not to rub the car with the dust on it. Try to go from top to bottom instead of vice versa. If you rub your car with the dust on it, you are likely to make a lot of small scratches on the car paint. It is going to spoil the look of your car. It is important to use a good quality car shampoo. After having washed the car, you must wipe the car dry with a microfiber cloth. You should not use ordinary cloth to wipe the car. It might create scratches. The microfiber cloth collects the dust without making scratches on the car. So use a good quality microfiber cloth. So after wiping my car dry, the next step is to wax my car. So here we come to our next product. This is the Formula 1 Carnauba Carvex. This is a very nice product. Again, I bought it online. It is a little expensive, but since it lasts long, it is quite okay, and the effect lasts long. You're not supposed to use it every day. I use it once in 6 months and the effect lasts long. You get a sponge with it, and along with the sponge I also use 2 separate microfiber cloths to wipe off or to puff the wax that I have applied, to result in a very shiny looking appearance of the car. Now I use separate microfiber cloths for each purpose, for each of the products. That helps in making it organized and keeping the overall work nice. So here we have opened the wax container. You can see the wax and the wax sponge. We use this wax sponge to take some wax, and after this we are going to apply it on the car body. Spread it evenly. Now this is just applying little bit here and there with the sponge, and then we use this microfiber cloth to evenly spread it by light rubbing. Rub it lightly. I'll show you once again. So apply it little bit at adjacent areas like this. Now we use the blue microfiber cloth to spread it with round circular motions. Like this. Following this, wait a few seconds and it will develop a milky hue, a translucent appearance. As soon as you see that appearance, use the yellow microfiber cloth to buff it off. Buff it off in similar round circular motions in the area that you applied the Carnauba wax to get a shiny glazing appearance. Now look at it. Look at the shine. You have to repeat this process for all the areas that contain the paint of the car. That is mainly the exterior of the car. Now look at the appearance. Is it not wonderful? I will show you the difference it makes. Now look at this area. This area that has not been polished, and this area that has been polished with wax. Look at the difference. There is a difference in appearance, right? Now look, this is the appearance of the car after polishing it with the wax. Look, it's all shiny and looking like new, is it not? Wonderful, is it not? Look. So first we washed our car with the 3M Car Wash Shampoo, then we waxed our car with the Formula 1 wax. Now we come to our next product, the Wavex Auto Care Dashboard and Leather Conditioner and Protectant. Now let us see how this works. So we are going to start with the Wavex Auto Care Leather and Dashboard Conditioner and Protectant. Take a little bit on the sponge. And now we are going to apply it first on the leather seats. I'm going to first apply it on the seats with the sponge lightly. Over some part of the seat. First the backrest, and then I'm going to wipe it with a microfiber cloth. And after that I am going to wipe it with another microfiber cloth, completely drying it off, and this gives it a shiny, soft, supple appearance. The leather looking like new. The steps are to be repeated for all the areas of the seats. Now look, I have done the driver's seat and the co-driver's seat, not yet done. Look at the difference. There is a very slight difference. This one feels softer and slightly better. Now I'll do the other seat and then I'll do the dashboard. Let's do the dashboard. Again the same process, the same steps. Just applying it nicely over the dashboard with the sponge. Don't worry, it initially looks slightly wet. We'll wipe it off with a microfiber cloth, and it is going to end up looking nice, very nice, beautiful. Gently apply it all over the dashboard. Then wipe it with a microfiber cloth like this. I wipe it with two microfiber cloths in turn so that it cleans it still further and you get a much better appearance with that. Now now the fresh look is coming. Look at it. It's looking shiny and rich black color like new. Now look at it now after I finish. Look at it. Oh, how beautiful it is looking. Now see the whole dashboard after it is done. Is it not looking just amazing, you know? It is looking like new. Fabulous, mind-blowing. Now similarly, I do the doors, plastics, the leathers on the doors along with the rubber seals. It increases the life of the rubber seals, you know, and the plastics under the mirrors, they get looking new and shiny. All just anywhere you find plastic on the car, just anywhere. I do it everywhere. Wherever there's plastic, rubber. You know this rubber, as the car ages, this rubber gets old and cracks. So I hope it increases the life of this rubber. Just apply it there generously. Wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. Keep a separate microfiber cloth for the exteriors. Keep a clean one for the interiors. No, but do not apply it over the glass. Now I apply it over the plastic parts of the engine as well. You know, after you clean the engine, those plastic parts look slightly dull, and after applying this, look at it, look at the shine, black rich shine you get. The rubber parts, the plastic parts, apply it all over those parts, just not over the metal parts. Okay, apply it over there, over the plastic parts, this part, you know, these plastic parts, and this and this engine is made of plastic. No, just kidding, you know. I mean, there are a lot of plastic parts over the engine. You can apply it over there as well, I think. So I apply it over there, over these rubber hoses, these plastic components, you know, and then just wipe it off with a microfiber cloth and look at the gloss that you get. Look at the new looking feel you get. It's really nice. Now look at it after I am done with the engine. Look at it. It's just looking like new. Oh baby, just look how wonderful it looks. Fabulous. Now let's get on with our next product, the Wavex tire guard. Wavex tire guard is applied on the tires, only the outer surface of the tires, with a sponge. Put a little bit on the sponge and apply it gently over the outer surface of the tires. Be careful not to apply it on the surface that comes in contact with the road, otherwise you might lose traction and it might lead to mishaps. It gives an incredible new looking appearance to the tires, which you would not otherwise be able to attain just by washing or cleaning them. It cleans and shines the tire at the same time. And now we come to our next product, the Michelin foaming glass cleaner. It's very easy to use. Just spray it on your windscreen wipe it with a fiber cloth, microfiber cloth. And just gently wipe it, spread it, and then wipe it off and clean your windscreen with another microfiber cloth. You'll get a spotless, smudgeless, clear windscreen, and it will provide a very good vision while you're driving in the night, thereby adding to your safety. It is very important. So this is one of the nice products that I could find on the internet. So friends, now I am going to show you the result after cleaning the car and after using and applying all these products the way I told you. My car is around 1 year, 2 months old, and I just finished around 400 kilometers of journey, after which the car got really dirty. I cleaned the car, I cleaned the engine, and look, after the cleaning, the car is looking really like new. The look is beyond words. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Till then, enjoy the looks. Take care.